going to plant
Planting is trial and error.
spinach.
Because you are never certain that that thing is gonna grow. You just have to be positive and expect hope for the best.
Yeah. Skia plants they here.
This is a living thing.
Yeah.
So there will be nice things
It's gonna be fruitful.
in the land.
Mm-hmm.
I wish I had a jembe.
Na umeelewa kwa nini watu wengine wana use jembe badala ya hii. From our neighbor.
Then you see somebody coming here and saying, "Oh, help me with the suitcase." Don't know the amount of work you have to do. The spinach.
So you want to become a mini.
And you tell them no. I'm not boarding. Let me get the manure. Get the rabbit.
Hello, Banbans.
So this is rabbit manure. We'll put some in here. Need to add some more. This is day in the life of a village girl. I'm a village girl. In the past 2 months, but that didn't happen. It's been super dry. Even right now, it's supposed to be cold season and it's not that cold. It's just dry. So this is the kales that we are gonna plant, and we have some more. This is spinach, and these are kales. These tiny ones. Maybe these tiny ones will plant them here, and the spinach there. Cindy, apus. We bought them yesterday. We put them in the water so that they don't dry up overnight. So now we plant them. Today is today.
Today is the day.
I think you'll need to bring some water to wet it. It's too dry.
Yeah.
I hope they grow.
Me too. They
These
look
ones,
so
they
nice.
grew, but something was eating them. I think we have like frogs over here.
Yeah,
and
we
other
found a
birds.
toad. Is it a toad?
They are eating our plants before
No,
we
the
even
toad.
get to enjoy our plants. And also birds. We have a lot of birds in our home because of the trees and the fruit trees. So they eat sometimes too much, even before you get to enjoy it. But what can you do? You just share with the animals. There's nothing you can do about it.
Just share.
Just share. They are just minis. They don't share with us very well. Let me go get some water. We put in there to make the soil moist. And then we'll plant.
The kitty is following you.
put the water.
Your back.
Back, baby. Have to put a little bit of water
To wet it.
because the soil is too dry. Then the planting begins. Now this is where you get muddy. I can't do with the gloves, honestly. They are too thick. I need my hands. You only bury the root. That's it. You leave the other one standing. So doing this with gloves is very hard because the gloves are too thick. I hope they become beautiful and big. Maybe we'll put a scarecrow.
Yeah.
Here, because the birds are too much. They're eating too much.
You need to scare them away.
Yeah, a little bit. So that we get to enjoy the plants too. These ones, now after planting, you have to water them like twice a day. Early in the morning
And in
and
the
late in the
evening.
evening. For like maybe 2 weeks, and then after that, just be good to go.
you for watching, and subscribe, Bye. We are back, and we're going to get sugar cane. So we need one because nowadays it's very dry. Yeah. Let me jump in this hole so that I can see. So you actually need a great. That's a bad shape. Kidogo na sugar cane.
I didn't break this one very good, but they're all tied together, so it's hard to.
You can't cut the string.
Wow, that would be good. Yeah, this camera is heavy.
It's heavy. So, we're trying to get a sugar cane on our hands. And oh boy, sugar canes are not hard.
These
Are
ones
very,
are very soft. Our sugar canes are very soft.
yeah.
Super soft. I can even break it with my hands. Meaning it's super soft.
Yeah, and subscribe, like, and help us to get to 10 million subscribers.
The
And
old
it's-
ones fell down because you haven't been eating them.
And sugar canes are not easy to take out, as you can see, because they have leaves, and those leaves sometimes tie together.
Out of this place.
Okay, we are done.
Hi.
Hello, Sherry. Oh my gosh. What? Which kind of what? Oh, those. Yes. Yes. Let me show you.
We got some sugar cane.
Yippee! This is basically the natural
Sugar.
sugar. And everything nice. Yep. Beat up. And I got a Tajili pop. Yay. Very exciting. Very happy. Skip, skip, skip. Skip, skip. I'm doing a magical trick. Skip, skip, skip.
Ooh, finally, can sit down and take some sugar cane. Megan, you want some? Mama, you're eating sweetie.
I want some.
Guys, we are gonna enjoy our snack, which is sugarcane. Under the shade because it's too hot and I'm wearing a sweater from morning. I'll remove it. But I'll show you the progress of the pump. Guys, look at this monkey. We have a huge monkey in our property. Oh my God, it's big. I thought there was somebody on the trees. Kumbe, it's a big monkey. Oh my God. This is the one that has been coming to our roof in the night and we are wondering. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, it's huge.
It's like a gorilla.
Oh my goodness, Lord.
This is the biggest monkey I've ever seen, guys, and this is the closest I've ever been to it. Look,
Guys, can you see it? This one. Yeah, that one.
Big.
It's moving trees.
Oh my God. It's next to the borehole.
Oh my Lord. This is crazy.
Oh my God.
I'm telling you, we are living in nature.
Yes, and because
Damn.
if monkeys can come into our property,
And it's not even scared.
I
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Some kind of